Phrasal verbs you'll use every week. Let's go. Wake up, wake up. Stop sleeping, stop sleeping. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Get up, get up, get out of bed, get out of bed. She got up and made some coffee. She got up and made some coffee. Turn on, turn on, switch something on, switch something on. Can you turn on the light, please? Can you turn on the light, please? Turn off, turn off, switch something off, switch something off. Don't forget to turn off the TV before bed. Don't forget to turn off the TV before bed. Put on, wear clothes, wear clothes. He put on his jacket and left. He put on his jacket and left. Take off, take off. Remove clothes, remove clothes. When a plane leaves, when a plane leaves. She took off her shoes. She took off her shoes. The plane took off on time. The plane took off on time. Pick up, pick up. Collect, collect. Lift, lift. Answer, answer. I need to pick up my kids from school. I need to pick up my kids from school. Drop off, drop off. Take someone somewhere and leave them. Take someone somewhere and leave them. He dropped me off at the station. He dropped me off at the station. Look for, search, search. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. Look after, take care of, take care of. She looks after her little brother. She looks after her little brother. Find out, discover, learn. I just found out that she's moving abroad. I just found out that she's moving abroad. Give up. Stop trying. Don't give up. You can do it. Don't give up. You can do it. Set up, arrange, prepare. They set up a new company last year. Run out of. Finish. Have no more. We've run out of milk. Come back. Return. return. He come back from Paris yesterday. He come back from Paris yesterday. Go out, go out. Leave house for fun. Leave house for fun. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Hang out, hang out. Spend time with friends. Spend time with friends. I like to hang out at the cafe after class. I like to hang out at the cafe after class. Check in, check in. Register at a hotel. Register at a hotel. Airport, airport. We checked in 2 hours before the flight. We checked in 2 hours before the flight. Check out, check out. Pay and leave a hotel. Pay and leave the hotel. Look at something, look at something. We check out at noon. We check out at noon. You should check out that new shop. You should check out that new shop. Take care of, take care of. Look after, look after. I'll take care of the plants while you're away. I'll take care of the plants while you're away. Call back, call back. Return a phone call, return the phone call. Sorry, I'll call back you later. Sorry, I'll call you back later. Go on, go on. Continue, continue. Please go on with your story. Please go on with your story. Come in, come in, enter, enter. Come in and have a seat. Come in and have a seat. Sit down, sit down. Take a seat, take a seat. She sat down to rest. She sat down to rest. Stand up, stand up. Rise from sitting, rise from sitting. The students stood up when the teacher come in. The students stood up when the teacher come in. Give back, give back. Return something, return something. Don't forget to give back the book you borrowed. Don't forget to give back the book you borrowed. Look forward to, look forward to. Be excited about something, be excited about something. I look forward to meeting you soon. I look forward to meeting you soon. Put off, put off. Postpone, postpone. Delay, delay. They put off the meeting until Friday. They put off the meeting until Friday. Bring up, bring up. Mention a topic, mention a topic. She brought up an interesting question in class. She brought up an interesting question in class. Figure out, figure out. understand, understand, solve, solve. I can't figure out how to use this app. I can't figure out how to use this app. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.